Hello everybody, it's Mindy and welcome. I have a couple things to show you here from PaintSomeWay. I picked out a couple things. One's pretty cool. I've seen somebody unbox one, but I wanted to get one and show it to you. So thanks for stopping by for a few minutes to see what I have to show you. And if you like what you see here, I hope you consider subscribing and coming back to see more videos. And comment, like, share videos, you know, those kinds of things. I appreciate it greatly. Well, let's start with this one. We'll start with the smaller one first. That one's heavy. It's got some weight to it. So let's see what we get in this box. I know it's open because I opened it to figure out who this order was from. I don't remember what it is, though. It's been a little while. Let's see. Toolkit. What else do we get? Oh, yeah. Okay. Where's the rest of the goodies? Oh, sorry about that. That was loud, wasn't it? Okay, that's our stand. I will say, I like that they're making these stands just regular plain acrylic. This does have a film on both sides. When you're ready to use it, peel it off, and this becomes very shiny. Pretty thick. That's why it made so much racket. Hang on, focus. It's pretty thick. See? But I like that it doesn't have some print on it that doesn't go with your object always. You know what I'm saying? So there's our stand, toolkit, and drills. So what do we have? What are we working with? Clearly it is on acrylic. Again, there's a film on the back too. Take the film off. I can tell it's pretty cloudy, so I know there's a film on here. I'll show you. Sometimes they're hard to get off. Hang on. And I just cut my fingernails. So there's that. Oh, come on. Seriously. Oh, there. See? That peels off. And then it's very clear. All right? They just do that to protect it so it doesn't get scratched. So what do we have? What are we working with? Look at that. Right? Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. It's just this nice urn with poinsettias in it. I love it. Got some greenery as well. We got some berries. Isn't that pretty though? And then it'll stand up in our little stand here. This always works better when the plastic, oh, I got it to go in there. When the plastic is off everything, it works better. So I love it, right? Nice little decoration to sit around your home at the holidays. Love it. Oh, pretty. Okay, I'm going to take it out of there and lay it down here. And let's look at our drills for this. What do we get? I see some large special drills. I see all the way up to E, A, B, C, D, and E at least. All right, what do we have here? Clear rhinestones, red, a green, that's kind of like a bluey green, a very pale yellow. Then here's the special drills. Round, smooth red, some pearly white, those are a little bit larger. Red faceted marquise, very pretty. Clear faceted marquise, and a larger red. I can tell where those are going to go. They're going to go down here. Isn't that going to be pretty though? I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, so that is our first item, and I'm very happy with it. I like it. Something on my counter? Maybe. Okay, put that over there. Now, let's get into this box. This one's kind of fun. This is different. When I first saw these out there, I was like, oh, I need to get one of those. Now, this one's a little pricier of an item. I think it's around $20 maybe. Well, it's not bad. Not bad at all. Oh, it's in another bag. Okay. Let's get everything out. So let's see if we can figure this out before we complete the project. Oh, this is regular drills. Okay. No crystals or anything. All right. Oh, man, this is all bundled up too. All right. So we got lots of stuff here. Here's our instructions. Thank you for instructions. I'm telling you. Tells you what to do. Diamond paint first. How to diamond paint. Okay, we got that. Then remove the protective film from the plate. There's a transparent plate. Put the frame together. You need to screw it together with a little screwdriver. Put 3 sides together. Put the base plate down, and then put the acrylic plate in next, and then construct your other side. So it is a tray. And you will not be touching the drilled butterfly or whatever image it is with things you put in the tray. Now you could paint this wood if you'd like. You could stain this wood because it is just, I'm not gonna open it right now, but it is just a regular like blonde type wood. I'm assuming it comes with, well, let's open up this part here. We'll take out this little kit here. Okay, it comes with your screwdriver and all of your screws to put it together, and a nice set of instructions to tell you how to do it. So here is that acrylic tray. This is what will go in the top. So there's going to be a couple of grooves. See the grooves? One groove will be for your painting. That will stay on the bottom. And the other groove will be for the tray, and that will go up on the top. So it's like a two-layered thing. I love it. Okay, so there's that. Here's a little key, and here is our piece. This is the wooden piece. This is what goes on the bottom. Look at it. Pretty, right? Super pretty. They have many different designs. When I first saw them, I saw a few designs, and just like everything that's new out there, new designs will just continue coming out. This is interesting. This is the first time I've seen a pixel printed image in a long time, where every individual pixel, square by square, a lot of times lately, most of the time, these are kind of like picture printed, where they take a picture. You'll see more wavy lines printed in there and things like that. But this one is pixel printed, and it's very pretty. All the flowers on this unicorn. I love it. So here is our little legend that came with it. It's got 25 colors. Here's our ID number for it, kit number. Love it. And like I said, this is regular drills. Okay, let's look at those. This wouldn't take a long time to do that, right? I would love to say I could finish it and have it done, but you know how things are. All right, let's look at our drills. Do they have, okay, 209, number one. No, number one, that is not our DMC code. Okay, that is our kit number, 209, CANP 209. So it does not have the DMC number, but they are listed here on our legend. So this is number 154. This one is 159, 160, and 161. So if you want to know all the numbers, they are listed there. So we'll just talk about colors. Black, green, and pinkish colors. Lots of pinks, more pinks, orangey colors, blue, very light pink, dark blue, pink, green, green, a blue, some purples, more purple, and then a white. I love it. It's very pretty. Okay, well, that is what I got from PaintSomeWay, you guys. What do you think? Have you seen anybody work on one of these trays? I think they're pretty cool. I think they're very unique. I think they're very special. And I love finding the new products out there. There's new stuff out there all the time. They find that they can put diamonds on. And I try to find them and show them to you. So I'll link these below. There might be an image that you like. It's a neat little size. It's not going to be huge, right? How big is it? Let's see real quick. With the outer frame added to it, of course, it's going to be a little bit larger, but I just want to know in inches. It's about 11.5 inches. So by the time it's all said and done, it might be 12 inches, right? And then this direction, I'm at about 7.5, so we might get up to 8. So like a 12 by 8 maybe. Nice little size for a tray. I like it. And this is absolutely gorgeous, right? Love that. That's super pretty. So linked below, and thanks for watching, everybody. Let me know your thoughts. Comment below. What do you think? All right. Talk to you soon, everybody.